Phoenix International was formed in Italy in 1972 in Paderno, Franciacorta, thanks to the far-sighted vision of a group of young entrepreneurs who wanted to share their expertise and experience in the aluminium extrusion sector. Their mission was to create an independent and innovative company focused on a core business marked by significant growth potential. Phoenix later moved to its new premises in Verdello in Bergamo province, where it maintained its organization up to the late 90s. In February 2016, the company's original founders and shareholders, together with a private equity fund, sold their stakes to a prestigious French fund rooted in the continent's major economies through a transaction carefully planned over time and aimed at anticipating future international scenarios. Phoenix is traditionally focused on exports. Today, over 50% of its turnover is generated on foreign markets, mainly in Europe. Although sales and production resources were originally concentrated in the building sector, with the passing of time, demand gradually moved to the industrial sector and precisely to the mechanical field in general, embracing pneumatics and electronics, as well as the automotive and other transport sectors, high-speed and underground trains, trucks and buses. Way back in the 80s, Phoenix started to work with the design and modeling system for 3D solids, and in recent years has always been one step ahead in the market with the introduction of tailor-made extrusion simulation packages. Advanced research in the simulation field has allowed special-purpose tools to be developed for optimizing design work, both to reduce lead times and to assure that the customer receives an increasingly high-performance product. This process led to the development of dedicated flow balance and automatic bearing calculator software. In the 60s and 70s, the die was a genuine work of art, almost entirely designed at a drafting table and then expertly crafted manually on the first machine tools. Today, the very high quality demanded by customers has led to a completely different product, one with the highest levels of quality and precision. Starting with high-performance steels, right through to extremely futuristic designs and virtually unlimited working possibilities, such as 5-axis and high-speed machining, up to special high-tech coating, dies can now meet the most challenging requirements. The production cycle of a die starts with the order and ends when the finished piece is sent to the customer. Between these two stages, a complex production cycle takes place, during which all the experience acquired by Phoenix over the years converges, leading in just a few days to the end product being ready for delivery to the customer. The phases are: customer's order, CAD project, cutting and turning of special steel pieces, CAM for individual pieces of the die, milling phases, wire and spark erosion, high-speed milling phases, heat treatment, handmade finishing and thorough check of each detail. The finished product is now ready to enter its production life cycle and extrude its aluminium bar at the highest level of performance. Phoenix has always been a pioneering company in the research field. It is in this area that the innovative 3D scanner has been introduced, bringing a huge competitive advantage, particularly in the automotive sector, where the requirement for absolutely identical pieces must be met. Since the beginning of the 90s, Phoenix has been an ISO 9000 certified company. It has always been interested in assuring its customers total quality with regard to the product, its conformity with the design agreed with the customer, the optimal extrusion of the profile, as well as the required tolerances. However, quality is also the ability to find alternative solutions more suited to the customer's needs. The guarantee of competitive lead times and compliance with agreed delivery dates. For Phoenix, all of this is true quality.